Welcome to the Rishamadam online channel. This is my first video and discussing about the mathematics now. Today I will discuss about the addition of integers. If you like this video, please share this video and subscribe and like button. Press the like button. Okay. We will start first session. Integers. Integers means the numbers include zero, positive numbers, negative numbers without considering the decimal numbers. Integers are the numbers 0, then positive numbers, negative numbers are called integers. This is the integers. 0 is the middle part of the number line. This is the number line. 0 is the middle part, and right part of the 0 is positive numbers, and left part of the number is negative numbers. And again, number line is drawn like this. This is a vertical line. Here is above positive 0 is positive numbers. Below 0 is negative number. This is right nice. So how can add these numbers? Students can difficult to add the two integers. Add the 5 plus 2 easy. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 like this. But minus 5 add minus 2. Minus 5 add plus 2. Plus 5 add minus 2. Plus 5 add plus 2. These are the 4 basic example of adding two integers. 4 different types of addition of the integers. Before this one, we look clearly an integer. Integer has two parts. One integer has two parts. One is the numerical value. 2 is the numerical value. 2 absolute value. Then minus. This is the negative or minus. This is the sign of the angle, sign of the numbers. Sign and numerical value. All integers have sign and numerical value. Here is how can add this number addition. How can add this two integers? Here 4 examples are there. In here, what is the sign of the 5? You look clearly. What is the sign of the 5? Minus. So minus 5. Here is minus 2. These are same sign. Next example, here is minus 5. Here is plus 2. Here is different sign. Here is plus 5. Here is minus 2. This is different sign. These are the different sign. Here is plus 5, plus 2. This is the same sign. First and fourth example are same. Same means both are same sign, not equal. Both are same sign. Here is minus, here is minus. Here is plus, here is plus. Second and third example, you look. Here is different sign. Here is minus, here is plus. Here is plus, here is minus. So how can first and fourth answer the numerical value only. First you consider the numerical value. While coming the answer, first you consider numerical value only. Sign after that. Sign will be considered after that. So first you consider numerical value. Here numerical value 5. Here is numerical value 2. Here numerical 5. Here is numerical value 2. Here is answer 7. Here is answer 7. Numerical value only. But sign. What is here sign? Here is the minus sign. Here is a plus sign. Why? Here is minus. Both numbers are minus. So answer also minus. Both numbers are minus. The numerical value add. So we will get 7. Here is both numbers are plus. So answer is plus. Both numbers are same sign and answer will be same sign and answer will be get add these numbers. Both numerical will be added. Then second and third example, here is a different sign. So numerical value will be get subtracting these numbers 3. Here is also 3, but 3 is not 3. Here is minus 3 will be get. Here is plus 3 will be get. Why? Actually, two basic principles are used in addition factor of the two integers. What are the basic principles? If the basic principle of the two numbers are, if two numbers are add, we will consider first sign of the number. If the sign of the numbers are same, both sign are same, the answer will be get add in the numerical value and sign is same sign of the two numbers. Same sign of the two numbers. If second and third question, if two numbers are different sign, so two numbers have different sign will be add, answer will be get subtracting the numerical value first, 5 minus 2 3, 5 minus 2 3, but the answer is the sign of the bigger numerical value sign. Here is minus 5, 2, numerical value 5, numerical value 2, the bigger numerical value 5, but sign is minus, so here is minus. Here is bigger numerical value 5, but sign is plus, so here is plus. These are the basic principle of addition. So if two numbers are same sign have add, the adding the number, the answer will be get add in the two numbers. If two numbers are different sign, subtract in the numerical value and put the sign of the bigger value number. Correct? Completed? You understood? If two numbers are same sign, add the numerical value will be get answer and sign of this answer is same as the sign of the numbers. If two numbers are different sign, subtract the numerical value and give bigger numerical value sign. So another example, we consider another example, evaluate. Plus 8 add minus 2, plus 8 add plus 2, plus minus 8 add minus 2, minus 8 add plus 2. So look this one and add this one. You do yourself. Here is 8 plus, here is 2 minus. So both are different sign. So answer will be get subtracting the numerical value and give sign of the bigger value number. Here is both are same sign. So answer will be get by adding two numbers, adding two numerical value and sign of same numbers. Then here is same sign, both are same sign. So here also add the numbers, add the numerical value, get answer. and same, put the same sign of the numbers. Here is different sign, so subtract the numerical value, will be get answer, and the sign of the answer is bigger value. So here is 6, here is 10, here is negative 10, here is minus 6. This is the answer. So you make another example, you do yourself another example. Plus 7 plus 7 plus 1 plus 7 add minus 1 minus 7 add plus 1 minus 7 add minus 1. Okay, do yourself. This is the addition of the two integers, addition of two integers, addition of two integers. Okay, you like it video? I think you will like it. If you like it, subscribe and share, and press share button and press like button. Okay, please.